Ma'am,
Good morning, Basil.
good morning, ma'am. I got message from Haya from Google Chrome.
What what
Good
message did you
morning,
get?
ma'am. Haya 20 live 2017 dinner night out. I don't know that emoji name. Music, love song, food
Good
like that.
morning, Ihan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Barira.
I can
Barira,
show
what
you.
happened to your camera?
My camera is all bloody. It's broken. Ma'am, look.
Yes,
Can you see?
yes, we are able to see. Yes.
What were you telling Marina?
You
See?
can stop presenting now.
What?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ihan, turn on your camera. Johan, please turn on the camera.
Ma'am, maybe Alpha background.
Sorry.
Do Fatih done have mage background?
What happened? What happened to your background?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sidra. Okay. Who? Basil, you are supposed to present today, right?
I said I won't do it.
Why?
Because I saw the live recordings. He said yes. I promise I didn't say yes. I said.
Wait, recordings.
You didn't say. I think it was Ishan. Yeah. No, it's Sidra. It's Sidra. Sidra said. No. Sidra said no. And Milan said yes. No, Amila. Amila said yes and Haya said yes about birds and insects.
Okay. Is anyone here prepared today? Let's see. Sidra?
No, ma'am. Yeah, I have the skeleton right now. Can I show you? That's not yours. That's science, Barida. Not in this class.
So you are saying no one is prepared? You know, Haya and Alpha they got
I'm
one
prepared, but I'm
golden
prepared.
star by the way because they did
I got
extra
this.
work and they prepared.
What did you say, ma'am?
So Alpha, you and Haya got one golden star because you did extra work, you put some effort, you presented, you took initiative.
Thank you, thank you.
I'll show the star tomorrow, okay? What about the others? Amila?
Ma'am, look, I completed my skeleton. When it is G2A, I got 2 of them. So I don't need any.
Are you
Ma'am,
sure
is
you
it
don't need
okay?
them?
I can show my skeleton. Can I show my skeleton?
Yes, Farida?
Can I show my skeleton? I'm finished with mine.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, let me remove my background because then you can't see the skeleton. I call him Mr. Skelly.
Something is wrong with the camera. What happened?
Hello.
The skeleton is cute.
Yeah. When it's not draw, but I sprained and cut.
Does
It's
anyone
one
know
work.
what happened to Ishan? Why isn't he joining the assembly?
Well, I did take a little help from my mom since I didn't
You
like the class till midnight.
Marina, 1 second. Yes, Ihan? You were saying something?
The Isha is joining the 32, 42, 20, the time.
He's not joining classes as well?
He's not join assembly. He only join classes late. He joins every class at the last 5 minutes.
Every class.
Not the last 5 minutes, 20. So we gotta wait 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, like 30 minutes. 30. I said the last 5 minutes of the class. Last 5 minutes. Yesterday, Ishan joined before the Kahoot. Before giving Kahoot.
Sidra, please turn on
I
your
know.
camera, dear.
Yeah, because teacher kept him there for some time.
Okay, Haya, are you ready with the presentation?
I am not ready. But I think
It was supposed to be Amila first. Then
Yeah.
I didn't do it. It's
Amila,
kind of like in a zombie
that's not
pose.
good. We were waiting for your presentation, right? That is not.
I also took 2 the last time also I took 2 days. Now also I need 2 days.
So if you're volunteering for something, you're supposed to do it. Amila,
Yes,
why don't you do
My
it?
name is Sunny.
I woke up like
Hello, my name is Mrs. Skeleton.
Why haven't you done it, Amila? What happened?
I got to my cousin's house, that's why.
Presentation will not take that much time.
No one is doing presentations. I'm just sitting at my house doing nothing except packing. Yeah.
See, if you're not participating for the anything, like you're not showing interest,
I'm showing interest on everything.
Give to anyone. That's it.
And I made one menu. The Arabic teacher told me to do it.
So Arabic teacher will give you point for that. I give some work if you're not doing. I won't give point. That's it. Maybe I'll give it to the next class because I have extra point here.
This one.
And Amila, you will be getting a black star because you volunteered. It's not I forced you. You volunteered. You didn't do it, so you're getting a black star.
It's all in Arabic.
Yeah, so I can't read it. Good.
Chakra.
actually I'm learning Arabic, but not in this class. But like after this class is done, I have another full Arabic class for like 30 minutes, 8 to 8:30 at 8 o'clock.
Reading hour. After this class, it's reading hour.
Not like that. After this full class, clock.
I have after school is over.
At 8.
But before, I used to have 3 hours Arabic class.
You want
3 hours, like 1 hour Arabic classes.
No, we don't have.
Keep this
Not 1 hour. We have only 30.
Okay. Are you able to hear me now? Okay. Haya, will you do and come tomorrow? The presentation? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, yes or no? Okay. Thank you, Haya. Now you can talk, I think. Try unmuting. No? Now you can talk actually. Okay.
I rather just stay muted.
Why, what happened? You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk. It's actually kind of peaceful. But your ma'am has not done. Who's the first hour? What's the first hour?
Reading.
Who's taking reading?
Me, all of us. Every single teacher does reading hour.
You don't know the teacher's name? No. No one. I think Lazel and Jawan should know, right?
Oh.
You know all the teachers.
I think it's Sareen Jabir, ma'am.
No, I know little bit teachers.
Jater, ma'am.
Her name is
That's really hard to say. Hard to say.
teacher's name.
She's our.
You just have to say
Yeah,
Sareen, ma'am. Ma'am, when are we gonna have the puppet show with our skeletons?
Which one?
When are we gonna have the puppet show with our skeletons?
Puppet show.
Who's responsible for that? Who gave you the idea?
The
Sania ma'am.
Sanya.
Sania.
Maybe in the science hour or English hour.
No, she said in the celebration day.
That is on 17th, I think. I'm not sure. Different classes are having on different days. So most probably it can be on 17th.
So we still have 7 days.
We have a week. We have a week.
But then she said like we only have the weekends.
Can be on the weekend.
What?
Main teacher will decide. So Sanya ma'am will decide which day. Sounds good? So you guys?
Ma'am, can we show the puppet?
Sania ma'am joined. Sania ma'am joined.
Okay, bye.
I guess she's our reading teacher and our science teacher and our English teacher.